so today we are going to be making edible hair brushes. I know. Probably some of you are wondering, like, why the heck would you want to make edible hair brushes? Well, first of all, it's very interesting to make. Second of all, I'm hungry. Third of all, for YouTube content. And lastly, I am inspired by one of those ASMR channels actually made this edible hair brush video. And I like the creativity in the ingredients that they put on the edible hair brushes, so I was like, you know what?
So all you're going to be needing are Rice Krispies, mini marshmallows, and for the thing that would serve as bristles, I will be using Pocky sticks, and also you can use spaghetti noodles as well. I actually saw some people use this originally because it looks similar to the brushes, but it doesn't taste good, so if you want to actually eat this, I think Pocky would be the best thing to use here. I also used my old brushes, and what I did is I just simply removed the base and the bristles of the brush, and I just cleaned it very well. Alright, so in a pot I will add in some butter. And then after that's melted, I added in the marshmallows. And when it got into this type of consistency, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the Rice Krispies and mix them all in. Okay, so in this process you need to oil your hands because you don't want the Rice Krispies to stick on your hand. So what you do is you take it and then you form it into the shape and then fit that into the mold of the base of the hairbrush. Now once that's done, I'm going to do the exact same thing on this other brush. Alright, so now it's going to look something like this. Okay, so in here I'm going to use the end of this banana stick Pocky, and I'm just gonna cut that off, and then I will pierce through the Rice Krispies because, as I've said, that is going to serve as the bristles. Now this process is a bit tedious to do, and also at this point it looks like an abandoned dock or some kind of a weird construction, but trust me, it will all make sense in the end. Alright, so now this is what it looks like. This was weird, but it was fun to do. So you guys, does it look like a brush to you at this point?
Some people, I don't know how they make it seem like it's a brush, but this looks like, I don't know, like a torture device than just a brush. Like, see? Oh my gosh, it's such a fail, but you know what? You know, I'm gonna push through. And also, by the way, I realized that when you do this, you have to make it really fast because when the Rice Krispies harden, it's hard to pierce through them to actually put on the bristles. Okay, so at this point, as I've said, it's so hard to make right now because the Rice Krispies is already settled. Guys, I'm ashamed of what I did here. This is not successful. Okay, like, listen to this. See? It's hard as a rock. At this point, this looks like an egg of a kraken, so I'm just not going to use this. Okay, so I made a whole new batch, so that's new. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the bristles in because it hasn't settled yet, so...
For the second part, I am going for the aesthetic. I tried using the spaghetti noodles and pierced through the Rice Krispies. Also, I was thinking of coloring the pasta darker to make it seem like a legit bristles, but the thing is, I don't have any dark food coloring here.
So at this point, that looks like that. I'll just be right back once I'm done putting all of this in. Okay, I'm done, you guys. This is what it looks like. I know, it looks like ew. I feel like if I colored this darker to match this, it would look more like a hairbrush, but my food coloring here ran out, so that's what basically I'm going to get. So this is what it looks like. I mean, from afar it looks like it's a brush-ish, but like I feel like when you get really close, it's like you can really tell, you know. Alright, so far this is what we've made.
Okay guys, so here is our finished product.
Okay, so from afar, can you guys tell which is which? Like which is the real ones and which is the not real ones? Like at first glance. In the camera it kind of looks like it's legit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Honestly, I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but I'm hungry, so I guess let's try it out. Not bad. Okay. Wait, I want to get to the... Two of my favorite things, Rice Krispies and Pocky. But you know what? Eating this would be so much better and so much easier if you just actually eat Rice Krispies and the Pocky together without this one. Because honestly, this is hard to eat, but I get it. The creativity.
This is an odd example of a YouTuber who eats her hairbrush. She is showing the brush that she is eating like this is some kind of a product review. Very weird. She is still eating the brush. Now she will be telling you what she thinks about the Rice Krispies.
This Rice Krispie is good. 2019 Beautyklove is now eating hairbrushes. Now actually I would like to try out this one, but I don't want to eat raw pasta. Oh wait, let me try. No. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!